sugar. First, we need to bring soil to fill the pot. Okay, so come on, Dumpy. Let's bring soil. Dumpy, you made it too big. Like a big tummy. This is not coming good. Wrong, Dumpy. You need it. Mama, we need help.
Okay.
Mama, getting help.
Good job. Now fill the pot with soil.
Okay, Mama. What next, Mama?
Now we will put the seeds and cover them with soil.
Okay.
And then finally we will sprinkle some water on top of it.
Okay. Now it's time for water. Water planting, Mama.
Great job, you two.
Yes, Dumpy, you made it easy for me. I'm happy to take a step, Dumpy. Dumpy, first I'm going to wash my hands. Oh, I forgot about this mess. Dumpy, no time to rest. Let's clean up this mess before Mama gets mad. Great job, Dumpy. We both need some rest. Bye-bye. See you next time.